I've always been like a avid learner. I've always had questions. I worked on cars pretty much as a little kid. So a lot of people don't see what we really do. Like the internals of a pump are just amazing. You don't know what it actually takes to move water at that speed and how these firemen like put these things that we build to use. It makes it that much more important to when we're building it to put that much more effort and that much more care. I've been with the company for 6.5 years. Mostly work on pretty much any pump that's put on a fire truck. Hale's kind of given me that up boost to where now I know the internals of how a Hale pump works and why we are leading the industry in pumps. You get on the field and see how important these things are to these guys, and especially now with Sam. So Sam's kind of given me that door essentially to where I could kind of see more of the outside of what's going on and how these firemen like put these pumps to use. Not everybody throughout the industry has that experience, so they tend to rely on our tech team. We see customers all over the world, so I'm kind of all over the US. I was on the floor myself, so I've built pretty much every pump we sell, and that was a big key part of my growth throughout the company. I would say people progress and people go up, or get promoted. Hale has been super generous and I'm super fortunate dealing with a lot of engineers and a lot of people who have strong professional, careers here. Just shadowing them and just them overseeing what I do in their operations and just learning everything they do. I've never had, an opportunity like this before, and IDEX given me that opportunity to trust in me and believe that I'm able to perform on the field. So it's kind of always been like a dream of mine to kind of, work with it, something that I love or enjoy doing, and kind of just traveling the world and showing everybody the potential of what our product essentially brings. I'm Miguel Pagan, AFS Application Specialist with IDEX Fire and Safety in Ocala, Florida.